और अब मैं आपके लिए अनरैप करूंगी मायरा, which is from the winter edit of Broadway Returns. This is a very pretty khadar outfit. Let's open it up now for you. Okay, this is the center panel. This place is for the apne gale ka jo patch lagana embroidered, and this is the rest of the embroidered part. Okay, now this is the gala I just mentioned. ये आप देख सकते हैं, it's a beautifully done embroidery, very subtle colors, very pretty with sequins and punny. Okay, और ये हैं जी हमारे buttons, tassel buttons for the gala. इस गले पे हमारे लगेंगे. And then moving on to the next part is this lace and these crochet laces. These are two types of crochet laces, as you can clearly see. ये हमारे घेरे के लिए है, जहाँ हम ये border attach करेंगे, हम वहाँ ये आराम से use कर सकते हैं. और of course anywhere else where you feel like it. This is the beautiful punny finished घेरा border, बहुत ही pretty dusky peach color में with the contrasting tones. This is the back. ये back का motive आ गया आपका back panel, and of course the same embroidery for that. ये हमारे side के panels आ गए. This is all embroidered on pure khadar. Okay, now this is the beautiful one for the sleeves. Very interesting sleeves in this round cut. Interesting, very stylish. You can see it in the shoot pictures. It looks very nice. Acha ji. So this is the हमारी खद्दर की चादर with the outfit. Oh, very pretty in the same contrasting tones as the gala. You can see the beautiful embroidery all over. Very nice. And of course, our khadar trouser. Hope you enjoy wearing Myra.